So, hello my best friends, in this video I will show you how to quickly and very simply solve the problem that you have. And the topic of this video, iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max fix why the iPhone screen randomly dims. So, I show you two very effective methods. Let's get started and do everything step by step. Click like, then I will get heart. You'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing. Likes, thank you, and ask your questions in the comments, and I will create a video answer. So I show you step way number one, very effective methods and way. So I press turn off or turn on and press volume down. It's button hold, press and hold 2-3 seconds and choose this slide to power off, left or right. Yeah, and waiting 5-7 seconds and your iPhone turn off, completed. Yeah. So now I press button turn on or turn off and hold on. Yeah. Just a little more, my iPhone loading. So, well, yeah, mate. Enter passcode your iPhone. So I showed you effective methods. Okay, now I show you best methods how to fix your problem. Screen iPhone randomly dims. Okay. Yeah. So I show you. Press the volume up and then the volume down and then the off button and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay. I show you. Press the volume up, volume down and press button turn off or turn on and hold until the Apple logo appears. Okay. 7-8 seconds, guys. Yeah, completed. My iPhone restarts. Yeah, and I showed you how to soft reset with hardware case and clear the cache. It's very good and cool methods. So check if this method works for you. I showed you the first method. It is very effective. If you can't do it, write the model number of your iPhone and I'll shoot a video for you. It's not problem. Okay. Click like, then I will get hearts, you'll get heart too. It's very good when ours are standing. Likes, thank you, and ask your questions in the comments and I will create a video answer. So leave comments, subscribe to the channel. Bye.